When it comes to the style and affordability, nothing can beat Japanese entry-level watches. One of the watch brand that is most successful in its domain is the Orient watches. And as the name suggests, I don't think I have to introduce this brand to all of the viewers here. So presenting an Orient Bambino, but there is something very special about this. So let's check it out. Recently, the Orient have upped its game by launching Bambino in 38.5mm segment. Yes, the same classic Bambino, the old school Bambino in a new avatar. The 38.5mm case is a unisex alternative of the regular 41mm case Bambino, but in very attractive colors and a lot of dial choices. So let's see the model today, and it is the Orient RA-AC0M11Y. The case diameter of this watch is 38.4mm exact without the crown. The case construction material is stainless steel and it has a domed mineral crystal. The lug width on this watch for the strap and bracelet is 20mm and the case thickness is 12.5mm. Yet the best feature of this watch is the Salmon pin dial. Now at this size of the watch and this dial, it makes a daily wear kind of watch with such a cool color that it has become a most favorite of many collectors around the world. Now, being a unisex watch, this watch is liked by men and women alike. Now, coming to the movement, this watch features an upgraded Orient caliber F6724 automatic movement with 3-hand time function, a date window, as well as quick date set function. The watch features an open exhibition case back, which shows the very delicate intricacies of the movement. The bracelet shown on this watch here is the stock Orient bracelet with steel links and fold over with push button kind of lock. This bracelet has an Orient logo engraved on the clasp. Although the movement is automatic, it also supports hand winding for that initial kickstart of the movement when the watch has been kept idle for long and you need to jump start the watch immediately. The crown here has an Orient logo engraved on it, which gives it a very good and rich feel. This watch, I would say, is very value for money. I mean, it is the bang for the buck. If you spend like below $300 for a watch and it gives you an appeal of a luxury watch, then what's better than that? An Orient watch is reliable as it is beautiful, and there is no questioning it. I feel that all the collectors and watch enthusiasts watching my review would agree to this. Signing off from the review of this cool new Orient Bambino. I will be back with more reviews. Keep subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. Have a good day ahead.